Alright, so I've got the bulbs in. Just make sure, people, when you're putting them back in, you remember which ones go where, because you don't want to fucking, like, have brake lights for reverse lights or shit, right? Alright, so just make sure you remember which ones go where. And you just, when you're doing it, you just got to line up. There's little pins that go into the holes. So just line them up and turn them, right? They'll click when they're in, except this one's kind of fucked, the middle one right here. So yeah, now you just push it back in, right? It's pretty much straightforward. Now it's in, pretty much. Fucking gotta hold it. Alright, and then you get your fucking screws, put the niggers in, or I guess things in. Alright. And yeah, that's how it's done. Thanks, guys.